Heartworm disease is a serious and potentially fatal condition that affects kittens as well as adult cats. While it is more commonly associated with dogs, cats, including kittens, are not immune to the threat posed by heartworms. Understanding how heartworm disease develops, how it is transmitted, and the steps you can take to protect your kitten is essential for every pet owner. Heartworm disease is caused by a parasitic worm called Dirofilaria immitis, which is transmitted through the bite of an infected mosquito. When a mosquito carrying heartworm larvae bites a kitten, it injects the larvae into the bloodstream. These larvae travel to the heart and lungs, where they mature into adult worms. Even a small number of worms can cause significant health issues in cats due to their smaller size compared to dogs. Kittens are particularly vulnerable because their developing bodies and immune systems make it harder for them to combat infections. The presence of heartworms can lead to inflammation in the lungs and damage to the heart, resulting in a condition called heartworm-associated respiratory disease. Even immature worms can trigger severe symptoms in cats, as their bodies react strongly to the presence of the parasite. Diagnosing heartworm disease in kittens is challenging because they typically harbor fewer worms than dogs, making detection more difficult. Veterinarians use a combination of blood tests, including antigen and antibody tests, to determine if a kitten is infected. Imaging techniques like X-rays or ultrasounds may also be used to assess the damage caused by the worms and confirm their presence. Preventing heartworm disease in kittens is far more effective and safer than treating an established infection. Heartworm prevention involves administering monthly medications that kill the larvae before they mature into adult worms. These preventives are available in various forms, including oral tablets, topical treatments, and injections. It's crucial to consult with your veterinarian to determine the best preventive option for your kitten based on their age, weight, and overall health. Keeping your kitten indoors can also significantly reduce their exposure to mosquitoes, thereby lowering the risk of heartworm transmission. Installing screens on windows and doors, using mosquito repellents approved for use around cats, and eliminating standing water where mosquitoes breed are additional measures you can take to protect your kitten. If a kitten is diagnosed with heartworm disease, treatment options are limited compared to dogs. The drugs used to kill adult heartworms in dogs are often too harsh for cats, especially kittens. Instead, treatment typically focuses on managing symptoms and providing supportive care. This may include medications to reduce inflammation, control secondary infections, and improve respiratory function. In severe cases, surgical removal of heartworms may be considered, although this is a high-risk procedure. The prognosis for kittens with heartworm disease depends on the severity of the infection and how early it is detected. While some kittens can recover with proper care, others may experience long-term complications or succumb to the disease. This underscores the importance of regular veterinary checkups and preventive care to keep your kitten safe. Heartworm disease is also a reminder of how interconnected the health of pets, people, and the environment can be. As climate change expands the range of mosquitoes, the risk of heartworm transmission is increasing in areas where it was previously rare. Staying informed about these changes and adapting your kitten's care routine accordingly can make a significant difference in their long-term health. Taking proactive steps to prevent heartworm disease is one of the best investments you can make in your kitten's future. By prioritizing prevention, maintaining a mosquito-free environment, and ensuring regular veterinary visits, you can provide your kitten with the protection they need to grow into a happy, healthy adult cat.